where have you been? I've been beeping you all night.
Next time I'm going to leave it off. Remind me to leave it in my desk next time. Give me coffee and tell me why I'm here.
DEA hit a methamphetamine lab downtown at midnight. They got into a serious firefight and took 2 casualties.
You dragged me out of bed because DEA blew a drug bust?
No, DEA hit a lab, but these guys weren't making drugs. This place was 3 Mile Island Junior. They had isotopes, 3 kilo fusile material, Crichton switches. Best we can tell, the place was used to build a nuclear bomb.
Nuclear bomb? Did you notify Washington?
I sent a flash traffic message while you were coming in. Pentagon scrambling an Air Force weapons eval team, hazmat sealed the building. But we got a grade 2 contamination problem. Now you know why I've been wearing out your beeper all night. Get my files. Case file, please. Yes, sir.
How much time do we have? How about FEMA? Are they going public with a warning? What about civil defense? What's the status of evacuation plans?
No public disclosure. Washington has put this on a strictly need-to-know basis. They don't want 7 million Angelinos heading for Palm Springs. Besides, this still could be a hoax. Yes, sir. Thank you. Long week to quit smoking. Oh, Ashley?
What's hazmat say about the contaminants? Can they give us an idea what flavor this nuke is?
Cesium, uranium, and plutonium, all the components for an H-bomb, boss. We got 2 suspects in custody. I already ran their prints through CIA Langley. This joker's downstairs in the hot room in the basement. He's big-time radioactive. Doctors think he's got about 24 hours till he meets Elvis.
Polish national, Krapinski, Stanislas, Pavel. Fingerprints forwarded. No fingerprint record. Stanislas Pavel Krapinski served 24 months national service, Polish Army, trained in signal intelligence, dropped, result academic failure, entered the U.S. March this year, no known radical political or terrorist ties, probably small fish.
The other one's clean. Got him separated.
German national, Heinbachel, Walter, Karl. Fingerprints forwarded. No fingerprint record. No prior criminal record. Held by GSG-9 to be a known associate of radical political and terrorist organizations. Former asset of Syria, Intel. Pattern of travel, Iraq, Syria, Libya. Most part last year. Squeeze him. You might get somewhere.
What do you want to do?
Stanislas has got a 24-hour time limit. We should grill him before he gets too sick to talk to us. I want to take a look. Heinbachel's obviously the brains of the outfit. Let's squeeze him.
Krupinski's a perishable item, boss. I say we get down there before he expires.
Great. Let's get fine. I want to talk to Heinbach.
Right this way. There he is. Physicist under glass. Sit down.
I want to talk to you, Heinbockel. Pick up the phone. Don't make me come in there, bozo. The hazmat team tells me you've been a busy scientist.
I'm surprised those fools are still alive.
You built a bomb in that apartment, Heinbuckle. Tell me where it is.
Somewhere.
Say we go in there and bounce them off the walls a little bit.
Your friend Krapensky is going to die slow and gruesome. I've got news for you, Heinbockel. Your pal Krapensky was too radioactive to take to the hospital. Our doctors gave him less than 24 hours to live.
Big deal.
I'm surprised that you're not more interested, Doctor. See, you're contaminated too.
What are you talking about?
Boss, what the hell are you talking about? Heinbockel's not radioactive.
I know Heinbockel doesn't know that. Go with the flow, Dave. You might learn something. That's why you're in a containment cell, Heinbockel. You're radioactive, too. The dose Krapensky's going to get to meet Elvis, Doc. You don't have to. Start talking and I'll get you a doctor.
You're lying.
Maybe we should turn off the lights and see if you glow.
If I talk, you'll get me a doctor?
Hey, doctor, you're wasting your own time. Just talk to the man.
I only assembled the containment shells. I did not connect the fusel materials. The final assembly of the weapon was done by somebody else.
Who? Who put the bomb together?
His name was, it sounded Korean.
What do you want to do?
I want to take a look at their personal effects.
Good idea. They're in the property section.
Great. Let's get over to property and look at their stuff.
Right this way. Okay. Krupinski's wallet, $6.17, and a library card. Heinbuckles, we got Bermuda shorts, Aloha shirts. Do these come with batteries? Must be going somewhere tropical. Airline ticket. Going to Rio and first class. How delightful. Heinbuckle. Heinbuckle's either got a really sensitive side or a size 6 girlfriend.
2 suitcases. How come there's only 1 airline ticket? What else is in there?
Here's why there's only 1 airline ticket. Miss Lingerie here's a stewardess. She flies for free. I'll roll SWAT. We should chat with her before she flies the coop. Search team found this in the lab. Now, the numbers on the document checked, but the passport's phony. And I ran his face through Interpol. I might say this guy's famous.
Famous? You mean like Elvis? What do you mean the numbers checked?
It was a serialized fake. Whoever forged his passport did a world-class job. His real name is Ivan Belenko. He's a former lieutenant colonel in Russian Spetsnaz.
What would the Russians have to do with planting a nuke in Los Angeles?
Belenko isn't working for the Russians anymore. He came down on the wrong side of the Gorbachev coup, he split and started working freelance. CIA says he's been training units of the Iraqi Republican Guard.
Let's pick up Miss Flight Attendant and see what her story is.
Okay. Unit 1, what is your status? Unit 1, repeat, what is your status?
I heard you relax. This is Unit 1. I have the target under surveillance.
Is the target alone?
She appears to be. You're affirmative. Send in the hounds.
Okay, let's move.
FBI. Put your hands on your head. I don't think she's packing, Bob. Let's go sit on the bed. Control, this is entry team. Target is secure. A little hard copy over here, boss.
What is it, more lingerie?
Search the room. Check it out. I don't want any surprises.
Whatever it is, dealer. Two ounces of linear shape charge. Damn thing was rigged to blow. Safe now.
Check those legs out. Search, examine the suitcase.
It's got arming circuits, a trigger, a safety. This is a remote firing device. They could detonate this bomb from 2,000 miles away.
Check those. Examine the suitcase. Search the room.
Found this on the nightstand.
Examine the suitcase. Search. Read Gabriella her rights.
Mark, let us have this room. Miss Devereaux, you're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. You have the right to have an attorney present before any questioning.
I don't need an attorney. What are you talking about? What did I do?
Well, why don't we start with possession of a remote firing device?
What are you talking about? I was just holding that case for my friend.
We're gonna get along much better if I ask the questions and you give me the answers. Where's the bomb?
What bomb? What are you talking about?
Tell me where the bomb is!
Look, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm just a flight attendant.
Boss, why don't you take over, because,
Tell me a story. Where did a nice stewardess like you get a remote firing device?
My boyfriend. He asked me to keep his briefcase here. I didn't know what was in it.
Tell me a story. I'm a nice guy, lady, but my friend Dave here isn't. I want answers and I want them fast. Cut the crap. What about this communique? Where did you get it?
I didn't know what it was. I was supposed to mail it in Dallas.
Hey, boss. Look at what HRT found in the fridge. It's a German passport. Same picture as the passport we found at the raid site.
That's my boyfriend's.
Does he always keep his passport in with the mayonnaise?
That's Dieter. I'm flying to Dallas tonight. I'm supposed to pick him up and take him to the airport.
Answer it. Tell him you give me the phone.
Who is this? Kupinski.
What do you want? Who wants to talk to him?
My name isn't important. What I have to say to Kupinski is, put him on.
This is Krapinski.
Why didn't you...
You want to meet? Name a place. Nobody told me anything about a rendezvous. Where can I meet you? Look, Skippy, I just built the radio. Nobody told me squat. Where do you want to meet?
The alley on 6th Street. Get there immediately with the briefcase, or else.
Come on, Ms. Devereaux. Let's get some clothes on.
FBI! Free! 50,000 volts, you know that gotta hurt. Love this thing.
Morning, Starshine. Earth says hello. He's all yours, boss.
Dave, give me a cigarette. Let me take a look at that.
I got his file right here. Guy's a real Eagle Scout.
North Korean national, Kim. Fingerprints forwarded. Positively ID or subject. CIA indicates Kim, former member of North Korean Joint Intelligence Support Activity. Kim is former major, strategic rocket forces. Subject's wife believed killed during the U.S. F-15 raid. Attended advanced missile maintenance course at Chinese Naval Reactor Facility. Familiarity with Chinese naval submarine ICBM warheads is considered likely. Presently listed as a deserter from the Army. CIA suspects individual involved in KAL 007 shoot-down 1994 assassination attempt. To avenge wife. Credible technical credentials. Can be expected to be deeply involved in weapons development. Take this guy for real. Dave, let me take a... It's just you and me, Kim. Let me take a look at that. What do you... Come on, Kim. Let's chat.
I'm gonna tell you nothing.
Why don't you be a good little nuclear terrorist and tell us where the bomb is?
I'm gonna tell you nothing.
That bomb goes off, Kim, and you die too. Tell us where it is. Tell us where it's been planted. Come on. You're going to sit there and let 5 million innocent people die? How's that going to help your cause? Look, we know the time the bomb will be detonated. Just tell us where the bomb will be planted, and we'll be out of here.
Your country has oppressed the workers. It has crushed forces of liberation. It has foisted bigotry and darkness on the people of the world. This is our vengeance.
Look, Kim, I'm a nice guy. My partner isn't. Time is a factor here, pal. Your rights aren't. Now do yourself a big favor and talk to us.
I want a cigarette.
This isn't getting us anywhere. I say we hook him up to a car battery and make him sing.
What do you think, Dave? Do we...
Cyanide. Skippy here must think we're not too smart. Want to get there? Special Agent Sawyer.
So which idiot am I speaking to now?
Boss, it's Blinko. He wants to talk to you. Oh, wait, I'll put him on the box.
What do you want?
Tracing my call might be possible, but I'm routed through a cellular hookup. It would take a week just to find out what area code I'm in.
Christ, can he see us?
You don't have the remote firing device, Palenko. If you're going to nuke this burg, you're going with it. Why are you doing this, Palenko? Why murder 5 million innocent people?
No one is innocent, Mr. Policeman. You should know that. Even children must pay for the sins of the father. In this case, my employers consider the sins of America unpardonable. You know, Mr. Kim was especially enthusiastic about destroying an American city. He was determined to give his life for our success. And I have decided to see that he gets that chance. Long distance, gentlemen, is the next best thing to being there. The bomb will be detonated at midnight in the exact center of this city. There isn't a damn thing you can do to stop it.
This guy's gone. Let's talk to the stew before Palenko gets to her.
I'm so not digging this. Where the hell'd you go?
Excuse me?
Langley made a fingerprint from the passport we found in the refrigerator, and surprise, our friend Dr. Hammond turns out to be someone else. Your boyfriend's a real sensitive guy, honey.
What are you talking about?
Dieter Hamann is an alias, Gabriella. Your friend's real name is Palenko.
He told me he was a college professor.
Palenko is his real name. He's an international terrorist. He's Russian. He deserted from the Soviet army. His real name is Ivan Palenko. He's a Russian commando, Gabriella. He killed 50 people in an anti-Gorbachev coup attempt.
How can this be?
He's about to commit a terrorist act in this city. People are going to get hurt, Gabriella. We need your help.
I'll do whatever I can.
This guy's a murderer, Gabriella. Help us catch him. You're supposed to meet him at the airport. Are you willing to help us grab him?
Of course.
Agent Sawyer. Done. SWAT team says they're ready to roll. I think we better mount out if we're gonna get Belinko.
Miss Devereaux, we could use you if you're game.
Yes, if it'll help.
Come on, let's go. Hope this works. The airport police is covering all the exits. LA SWAT's got a sniper up in the tower. We put a homing device in the luggage just in case.
We're good to go.
We've taken every possible precaution, Gabriella. Just meet Belinko and give him the case. We'll take it from there.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna have the place completely surrounded. All you have to do is go down the stairs, turn left. Now, if Belinko plays from the KGB script, he's gonna make sure you're alone. Then he'll come to you. All right?
The SWAT team will be in the stairwell adjoining the meeting site. Just give Belinko the case, and we'll take it from there. Okay, Gabriella, this will be a breeze. Just go down the stairs, make a left, and give Belinko the case.
Downstairs, second floor. Okay.
You're gonna do great.
Thanks.
Relax, boss. She's gonna do good. All units, this is Unit 2. Be advised, subject is approaching drop site. All units, we got a problem. Subject is deviating from the brief. She is walking away from the drop site. All units, redeploy. Don't let her out of the building.
Gabriella?
Oh, Peter, you startled me.
Beauty and deceit walk hand in hand. Voltaire said that.
I brought your briefcase.
You set me up, Gabriella.
No,
I'm disappointed.
no.
She's alive. Barely. All units, this is Unit 2. I need paramedic structure 6 now! Man, this whole thing is heading south. What do you want to do?
Tell SWAT to seal the garage. We'll flush him from the inside. Tell the undercover guys to locate Belinko. We'll take him down with a SWAT team.
Where the hell is he at? He didn't just disappear. At least we got our luggage back. Here's why we had so much fun at the airport. Langley finally sent over the file on Belinko. Guy's a former light colonel in Russian Spetsnaz.
Belinko, Ivan, 6, Lieutenant Colonel, Armed Forces. Fingerprints forwarded to your office positively ID your subject. Polenko is former Naval Infantry enlisted, Naval Spetsnaz 1975. Transferred GRU Special Projects, Special Assistant USSR, Ambassador Kabul. Polenko holds Order of Lenin for Valor, 3 awards. Polenko is former element leader of Spetsnaz Alpha Team. Elements under his command key and termination of 50 pro-democracy parliament members. Polenko is presently listed as deserter from Army. Polenko presently under death order from ex-KGB action team. Subjects rocket forces. Subject trained in demolition of explosives, nuclear munitions, hand-to-hand expert marksman. Fate of city depends on you. Do not fail.
Hospital says Gabrielle's gonna pull through. Barely. On top of everything else, the boy knows how to use a knife. What we got is a beat-up remote firing device, a woman who's hospitalized who may or may not be a player, and midnight's right around the corner.
I think we can assume Polenko has the bomb placed by now. How badly damaged is the remote firing device? We have one other item. We have the communique Gabriella was supposed to mail from Dallas.
Hey, what did that say? It's a detonation at midnight at the exact center of the city?
Unless Polenko's got an airplane, he'll have to stage a ground burst. The question is where. If you were Polenko, where would you put an H-bomb? We know when and we know why. The communique said the exact center of the city. Where's that?
It's a stadium. Dead center in the city.
Polenko's got 2 problems here. He has to keep it hidden, and in a location that will optimize the blast.
The lab boys say that this thing's the size of a small refrigerator. Something that size won't be hard to move or to hide.
Let's take a look on the west side, around the stadium. Let's get the detection equipment and start trolling downtown.
Good a guess as any. What else do you want to take along?
We have to move fast, coordinate the detection teams, and get SWAT. Just SWAT and Geiger counters for you and me. We don't have time to wait for people to finish their coffee. We have to move fast.
Okay, I'll get them mounted out. CHP's got a rented Ford Explorer abandoned in Lot C. Next team says it's hot. It's Polenko's ride. See he goes. It's 200 meters dead north of here. They're not getting enough of a reading for it to show on the surface. It's either underneath the stadium or on the ball field. Little U-234 traces of plutonium. They're getting a decent reading in the electromagnetic spectrum. It's in there and he's definitely got it turned on. It's getting hot in here.
Okay, got audio.
Here we go.
Got video. We're good to go. Alright, Control, I'm gonna need a little guidance here. I got 2 odd hallways. What do you want us to do?
Fan out. We need to maximize our search pattern. Moving to the right eliminates Palenko's best routes of escape.
Stab it and steer, boss.
I have a reading. Both ways. Okay, Control, I'm gonna need a little guidance here, Control. And 2 odd hallways.
Continue to move to the right, guys.
Move. Okay, Control, I got myself a right-hand doorway. I'm gonna need some guidance.
You got the ball. Let's see you run with it.
Palenko's running out of places to hide. Let's move. Shut up, Dave. Bob, take a right. Bob, keep moving down this corridor.
Here we go. Hey, look, we got him.
Alright, Control, we definitely dinged him. We're getting close.
Guys, take this slime out and go to 2-man teams. We're really running short on time.
Yes! Take him down.
Moving! Move. Game over, bozo. Alright, Control, your target is neutralized.
Score one for the good guys, but the game's not over till you find that bomb. Palenko's out, but the clock's still running. You've got to get to the bomb. Don't let up on me, Bob. Go get the bomb.
Alright.
You're pretty good at this.
Okay, our units, I have a lot of time.
What are you doing? Disable the son of a bitch!
Relax, Control. I'm trying to analyze here. Containment vessels. HF radio link. And 3 plastic explosive lenses focused on the fusion chamber. Times a factor. I isolate the plastic explosive, and this puppy doesn't blow. Isolate the caps. Cut the wires. Yeah, that'd be real easy to do. There's 3 of them. Alright, Control, what do you want to do here? Pick a wire.
What are you gonna do, boss?
We don't have a lot of time. I can't even see the connections. It's up to you. You're the one with the demolitions experience, Bob. It's your call. Time's a factor, Bob, but take enough to make sure you cut the right wire.
Still up? Guess not. You guys got it? You got it?
You got it, man. Shut up. You're making me nervous. It's like you got 3 detonator wires to your control. What do you want to do?
Standard wiring would be red, but that's just too easy. Go with blue.
It's a good idea, boss.
Maybe not.
Control, we got a little problem here.
We don't have time for a problem, Bob. Easy, Bob. We'll handle it. What kind of problem?
All right, Control, what do you want to do here? Pick a wire.
Hell, I don't know. Use the force, Luke. Okay, let's think about this. It's a 50-50 chance, Bob. Take your pick.
Yes!
Yes!
I'm buying tonight. Damn right. Hey, Sawyer, eat me.
Thank you. We're in this, boss.
Look left.
I wonder if she knows I'm Special Agent of the Month.
I wonder if she knows you're married. I wonder if she knows I'm your boss.
She can tell. You look a lot older than I do. Southern California. What a concept. Man, don't these guys know it's our day off?
Sawyer, don't give me that answer unless you know
Hi, this is Agent Dave, and I can't come to the phone right now, but if you want to leave your name and your number, the sound of the beep, I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Got the ball, Sawyer. I know where you are. Hold up your beach chair, you gold brick, and I've got another assignment
Son,
for you.
I think this is for you.
Get on
Here
it.
we go again.